Good morning guys! Welcome to another video. Today, samahan niyo ako magluto tayo ng breakfast using our Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer. Ayan. So, I prepared here an egg. So, nilagyan ko siya ng konting oil and then salt and pepper. And then, chorizo de Cebu and skinless longganisa. Ayan. Uunahin natin tong chorizo and longganisa. Let's cook this for 160 degrees for 8 minutes. Ayan. Let's check kung luto na siya. Okay, hindi pa. So, i-flip ko siya and then I'll cook another 5 minutes. Ayan, binaliktad ko na siya. So, let's cook for another ano na siguro 6 or 8 minutes. 8 minutes na lang. Okay. Ayan. Ooh. I think okay na siya. I think luto na siya. So, ayan. So, let's cook the egg for 160 degrees around 6 minutes kasi gusto namin malasado. And let's check if luto na siya. OMG! Naluto siya. Naluto. Ayan. So, gusto ko sana yung medyo medyo hilaw yung yellow, but eto, okay na to. Sige. So, guys, ito na yung egg. So, para siyang sa Jollibee na egg. Ganyan. Ito na yung longganisa and chorizo. So, I guess luto naman siya. Okay, Yuki?
This is so good.
Yuki, you try the egg since gustong-gusto mo ng egg. So, let me know if may difference. Yung fried egg or air fried egg. How is it? Is it the same? The same taste?
It tastes good.
It tastes good? Yay. Here, you try the chorizo. The longganisa. If it's the same ba.
I like it.
You like it? Yay! Okay guys, that's all. See you in my next video.